First of all, I'm going to put in the mustard. And this dressing, the basic mustard dressing, you can use with kind of anything. I'm going to mix in then the vinegar, pinch of salt. This is kosher salt. I'm going to put in a grind or two of pepper. Now I'm just going to beat them together. Now, always make my dressing in the bottom of the bowl I make salad in. It's a habit I got to when I lived in France, okay? Now I'm gradually going to add in the olive oil. Now if I do it slowly, the actual, and it won't separate, a little bit more. Now this is where I'm going to add in that tablespoon of water. As you can see, it makes the dressing more liquid, but it's still creamy looking, it's still emulsified because of adding the oil in slowly.